everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do some fried cauliflower, and I'm going to also make a tamarind barbecue sauce with some fried rice. If you want to continue watching this video, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. Alright guys, to remove the pulp from the tamarind seed, we're going to add it to some hot water. And while this is softening up, I'm going to start sauteing my onions. In my pot here, guys, I'm going to add some oil, my garlic, and onions. I want this to be spicy, so I'm going to add in some Scotch bonnet pepper. I want to sweat my onions, so it will take a little time for it to be somewhat translucent. I would not recommend using Worcestershire sauce, guys. This isn't vegan friendly. It has in anchovies, so that's not vegan friendly. I'm also going to add in some ground mustard, and as well as some sugar. Now we can combine all the ingredients. And so far, guys, I like the color. If you prefer your sauce to be a little bit darker, you can add more of your molasses or your soy sauce. It depends on your preference. Now, guys, you can see how soft my onions looking. Now I'm going to add in my liquid. We want to leave this to kind of cook down. And if you're somebody who doesn't like to feel seasonings like chopped onions or seasoned in your barbecue sauce, what you can do at this point is to use a emulsion blender, and you can just puree out everything nicely. This is how things are looking, guys, and what I want to do is to just reduce it a little bit more. You want to continually stirring it just to not let it stick on the sides and stuff. And if it's that you don't want to use any sugar, you know I'm going to tell you to use some agave if you're making the tamarind barbecue sauce from scratch. You can always use agave, right? If you don't want to use the sugar. But so far so good. This can be the base for any of our protein. If you want to make meatballs from bean or bean balls or tofu, very excellent sauce to have with those dishes. We're going to season our cauliflower now, and we're going to add some all-purpose seasoning. We have here some black pepper, you can use some paprika as well. We're going to add in some salt now. Now here I have some whole wheat flour. I'm going to go in with some seasoning. Pinch of salt. We're going to add some water. Alright guys, to my cauliflower here, I'm going to add my butter on them. And you want to get the texture a little bit thick, not too thick, guys. And just give them a toss. Now you want to make sure your oil is already heating up, because we're going to start frying these. And if you do choose to bake these, you can bake it at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. All ready to drop our cauliflower wings. You don't have to overcrowd your pot, guys. Alright guys, this is me taking notes on my first set. I'm gonna drop in my second set now. And you want to make sure guys you drain them off on paper towel. Alright guys, let's work with our fried rice. And my fried rice, it's overnight rice that I'm going to be using. Going in with some oil, and this is sesame oil. Please don't burn your sesame oil too much. We're going to add our garlic, our ginger, our scallion, our mixed vegetables. This is the frozen one I'm using here. Going in with my rice. I'm going to go in with some soy sauce. And again, the ginger and the garlic, guys. Smells so good. Alright guys, this is it. Very easy dinner recipe.
And guys, this is really good. I dipped it in the sauce and it just tastes good.
In with our fried cauliflower. Gonna admit it guys, I've been eating them out.
Try it with the other stick.
Very easy recipe guys. And there's it guys, a nice dinner fried cauliflower and tamarind sauce with some fried rice. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Until next time, bye.